Good morning, we're back over in Cheadle today and we are finishing off where we left off last week. We are finishing off this this traditional hand cut roof and I'm just literally about to start setting out my jack rafters. Bloody fucking freezing that.
Yeah, let's put another dent in it.
Wait.
Love it.
Can't take my eyes off of you.
What are you doing, Mike?
What?
What are you doing?
Skiving.
Skiving?
Yeah.
Yeah, looks like it.
Just gets away from shit, doesn't it? Get out of everybody's hair. Get out of everybody's hair, mate. Quite the spars to put the end of the fascia on and shit.
The fascia on and shit.
Yeah, pretty much, mate. That's exactly how I say it.
Let's get this moment.
Isn't that my shirt?
Look at this. It's official, it's getting uniform.
Ryan, isn't that my shirt? That you said you got me out the cupboard.
Hello. Still some in there.
Just another fucking lie again. Just another lie again. Mike, I've got you 2 new shirts here.
What's that medium? Sweet, that's just big.
What they? What they, dickhead? What they? Apologise now.
Sorry.
All uniformed up.
New ones to the firm.
Good job getting the walls down and the roof.
Yeah.
What's next?
What's next? Slab.
Slab.
Slab out.
There's dock off slab here.
Smallest break in the world. See how we get on. I'm older than you, bro. See the tile from there to there? Yeah, rip all that section off there. Tile, get a pile downstairs. Down where? Yeah. I'm murdering fruit trees out too at the moment. Yeah.
Shit, aren't they?
You've gone worse, haven't they?
Yeah.
It's pretty smooth this, you know. Yeah, mate.
Wait, my God, was that praise for Milwaukee?
Oh mate, I can't feel my hands. It's cold today. So, as you can see, we're back over in Cheshire today, guys, and it is snowed overnight. So we're got the roof sheeted up for now, and we're just building out the ceiling, bolting up, going around, fixing, nailing, getting all the crap bits done, and then when the sun starts to come out, I'm going to get the sheet off, get the final bit of this roof built, and then I'm going to sheet it back over so we can work inside till we start felting and battening, which will be later on in the week. So I'm just going around now, getting the ceiling on, and we'll see how the weather plays out. But first, Tony,
No,
you look jaundiced.
do I look yellow, man?
I wouldn't say. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, maybe like a slight tinge. I wouldn't say like.
Tinge of yellow.
Unhealthy things though, innit?
Well, it depends if it gets any worse. Possibly.
Do I look yellow? Fucking yeah, there, get on camera and I want to have a look at myself on the film.
Oh, well, the problem is everything's
Are you
filmed
still-
flat. I have to go in and
watching
mess the colours.
I haven't watched it. No, I'm not watching them anymore because I'm not in it.
I'll say it's Homer Simpson on the camera.
I'll put you back in this week, Swan.
Smudge needs to be in.
Smudge doesn't need to be in, but Smudge does not.
Did you get that on camera? Smudge doesn't need to be in.
Hey, Smudge. But this was like one of our best rated videos, and you wanted it.
Yeah, it's gonna be. You're all wondering where I am. You don't look fucking yellow.
You're yellow, mate, honestly, you're jaundiced.
Yeah.
Got a bit of a yellow tip.
Where?
All over there. Just under the eyes.
Your whole face, your skin colour, mate.
How much did you drink of this? Anything, I had 5 pints of Guinness a weekend.
Looks like you're just giving up on you. Yellow.
Boring bastard, go on, Toe.
Yellow.
Now, come on, I thought you two supposed to be getting on, not like Ryan break you.
Oh, Chris Wheeler, he's been demoted again because he's thick as fuck and he's boring as fuck.
No, it's old Chris Lee Shite.
Oh, Chris Lee Shy, he's boring us all again. You've got a sense of humour, guys, haven't you?
You know how many times I've stuck up for you, Tony? You can fucking call that a day, pal.
Sorry, guys. And you helped me greatly today with that.
I just love the Matt comment.
You know, honest to God.
Help me, Pete.
Oh, man. You should be good right in front of your cameras, then spat on your camera.
Let's not do that. Ah!
Yeah.
This is making it easier today.
Yeah, miles here to the first episode. Just look how thick it is. How many fucking foot deep, man?
So, everyone always asks how I fix my roofs. I tend to go around and screw everything at first so it's pulled in. I try and use a structural screw, and then what we do at the end is then once we know everything's pulled in, been tightened into position where we want it, we go around and then nail everything up. But we bolt everything and we try and get hangers or truss clips on it. Straight across all the way.
That down straight away, isn't it? Alright. Just gonna put it down straight.
It'll be central to that landing there, that walkway. So your doorway's going to be here, guys.
Doorway central to that.
On some fucking jack studs, king studs, they got to call them.
Right, yeah.
I suppose.
Get a stud that then, I'm sure you just cut it straight.
I'll stud that, mate. Just fucking get the fucker down neatly. Just drop everything on the stairs, but I'm trying to clean up here, get all these trestles down, planks down.
Right.
4355.
Onto that wall there, Chris. Miles up and mine now.
Yeah, but you keep it coming from here, there you go.
You know what? That was alright there, Mr. Walden.
Slow though, slow. Got it.
Whoa.
Maybe 2-4.
2435.
Close. That's what they call you, millimetre eye.
Very good. You got it, watch. 2-4. Got no nails in it.
Ah, come on.
It's alright, just for the camera, put it back.
I can't
Come on, put it back quick.
I can't look at me, bad shoulder.
I need the sound effect of it
That's
there.
what I mean, I was going to go bang! Born in the USA.
Well, that's it today. We've got the ceiling in. We've started on all the stud work because of the snow. We've bolted everything up. We've basically done all the crap today and we're back over here tomorrow and the weather's looking a lot better, so I'm going to get the last bit of the roof finished and then we can start looking again at watertight. I'll get this layboard in now and then I'll fucking we'll do all the cuts and I'll scrub the tips in. And then we'll strip this side of the roof off and I'm going to build, well, we're going to like see what Aaron discusses about the baby. Snow's defrosted today and we're back in Cheshire. Gaz is inside doing all the stud work. I've got Aaron measuring up windows at the moment and now I'm just going around now finishing this last side, getting my layboard in, and I think I've got four or five jack rafters left to install, and then we'll be looking at felling back in this roof hopefully tomorrow or the next day.
You're coming to here.
Throw this, mate, yeah.
And so, if it was there, can you get a shower?
Bulkhead in that room.
Open touch, yeah.
Touch to get the head height, you have to have a head height.
Alright, okay, yeah.
It'll look nice on the
Ready for later?
explain what's happening, I suppose. So customers come to site.
Yeah, customers come to site. She's had a look at the ensuite bathroom, decided it needs to be a little bit smaller. So now we're taking down the work and moving it over at 500mm. The end.
Got that off.
It is one he made earlier.
Loving that hammer, aren't you?
Nice might be. Good hammer this. It's what, £200 buys you.
£200 and the rest.
And what?
Double that.
Fuck off!
Just whoops and daisy. Literally, had some chips and curry before for my dinner, so I spilt all the curry on my top, so I've had to get a bit of change, you know. Being a greedy shit. I'm just cutting up the purlins now. I'm gonna get these purlins in, and then the customer, when she came up with it, when they came around earlier on before, they asked. So there's an existing part of the roof on the back which Luke and Ryan have just stripped off, and they've asked if they can build if it can match the roof there to match the back bedroom. So when we go up there, I'm going to start building that. So when we stand back and look at the house, the roof looks exactly the same. It'll be basically a mini version of the master bedroom.
You okay?
Fucking tough as nails, dude, buddy.
I couldn't have put the bag of hangers on the window at a better time.
Oh no! You're alright. You're alive.
Hey, that's your fault.
Fucking you drive down your feet these days.
So that is it for today. We've done alright today really. We've had to move a bit of stud work because the customer came round. I've ripped out the old roof where they wanted to change into a new Apex roof on the side instead of this old crap roof that was above the bay. Very similar to that one next door. I'm just going to go around now, start bolting everything up, and then tomorrow this new bit they want building so it mirrors this side of the roof. When you stand back and look at it, I'll get cracking on straight away and get that built. So I'll see you tomorrow. Water.
So is this in theory the final bit of the roof?
Yeah.
Apart from obviously super secret project down the side that's coming up.
Well, what I'll do is when the roof is turned up, Joe and I need to file the roof. I need to strip out this side to get a proper look at what's going on with that, because that's the abomination. That make sure you get on the channel so they can see what's going on there. And then we'll have to speak to the neighbour about stripping out her side. Then I have to build like a bit of a box valley or box score where it ties both roofs together, because obviously they built too close to the boundary line, so that's why the roofs are like the way they are. And I'm going to either GRP or just let it, see depending on what's best at the time, but we have to make something so it works, both get damp inside their houses.
Go and take a look and show him.
So as you can see again, that's another solid week we've had this week. We completely finished this roof, which I'm going to leave you now with shortly with a time lapse and a flyover with the drone. And yeah, we'll catch you again next week. So if you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Cheers.